So as soon as I've got to take the wipers off to remove all this stuff so I can then do my front coilovers, I thought it'd be perfect time to refurbish the driver's side one, which has got like a bubbly corrosive effect on it. I'm not sure why, whether it's always the driver's side. Be interesting to know. Or possibly, don't know, is it that interesting? Anyway. 17mm socket to get the nuts off. And if you look really closely, I won't be able to see on this, I doubt. There's tiny little splines on there, which sort of, obviously stop the wiper just moving around willy-nilly. But yeah, very fine splines. I thought they'd be a bit bigger than that, but they're not. Oh well. So this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, not sure why it does that. Funny enough, passenger side one looks absolutely perfect, like it's brand new. So as you can see, it's a bit of a different colour to the rest of it. Probably should have gone for more of a matte colour possibly. Yeah, this is gloss paint I've got. So, oh well, it looks better than it did. I tried doing a bit of extra sanding off camera with some like 1000 grit sandpaper just to try and smooth it off, but it didn't work brilliantly. What I might do is give it a bit of a polish. So yeah, there'll be a lot of people out there who can give you much better advice, but this is just what I'm doing just to tidy it up for the time being while it's off and all that. So yeah, it'll look better than it did. Right, so funnily enough, well, it's not actually that funny, but it's a bit of a pain in the ass. So I think I said before the passenger wiper didn't have the same issue. That's because it was like that. I went to put it back on. When I did that, I can see some minor disfiguration there, so I'll have to tidy this one up as well. So I mean, if I do it exactly the same as the other one, at least they'll be matching. We'll have some nice gloss bits here and then some matte bits for the rest of it. Oh well, could be a new trend, couldn't it? So there's another little cheeky video done. It'd be rude not to try and do something with them while they're off, while I was fitting the coilovers. I'm quite happy with the result, really, to be honest. There's probably a lot of people watching this thinking, oh, I should have done this different or that different, but I'm quite pleased with it. It looks loads better. Bit of a shame that it's a bit glossier than the rest of it, but I probably won't even notice. It'll only be me that notices, I expect. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit your notifications bell, drop a comment down below, maybe a suggestion of a different paint to use, whether it's a matte black. If you've done this before, maybe drop a comment down below, say how you did it, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.